Alright, so good morning. Hey, grabe. What a wonderful good morning to you na nanonood ng video ito. Alam mo ba na ang meaning ng good morning ay bagong pag-asa, bagong pagkakataon at bagong simula? Here at our company, we always say good morning. You know why? Because we believe that every moment is always a new hope, a new opportunity, and a new beginning. Kaya ikaw na nanonood ng video ito, ngayon pa lang, I congratulate you dahil hindi ito nagkataon lang. I believe that good things are meant to be shared, right? So if you believe, I tell you right now that you are in the right place at the right time. So, first of all, let me introduce myself first. By the way, my name is Nayo Bagaan from Tagum City. A little background of mine, I am a teacher and I'm also a naturopathy iridology practitioner. So here at ISG, I am an independent distributor, a sales marketing associate, and a wellness coach. Okay? So now, sa video ito, may tatlong bagay lang po tayo pag-uusapan. Una, alamin muna natin ang background ng company. Pangalawa, ay may i-share lang ako na patungkol sa health. At pangatlo ay yung bloodline ng company, which is the product. Alright? So without further ado, let's start! Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you our company, Infinite Success Global. Welcome to your endless success. Okay? So Infinite Success Global is an innovative company that aims to lead the market through innovation and business excellence. Si Infinite Success Global po ay isang makabagong kumpanya na naglalayong manguna sa merkado sa pamamagitan ng pagbabago at kausayan sa negosyo. And we started in May 26, 2022. Okay? Ang vision ni Infinite Success Global is to be the market leader in the distribution business and a sought-after multi-level marketing company due to its innovative system that offers enormous earnings. Ang mission din naman ni Infinite Success Global is to provide an innovative compensation plan that favors the earnings of each distributor that joins the company. So napakaganda po ng vision at mission ni Infinite Success Global. And here have also a core values. First, excellence. We are an expert in what we do and we do this with passion and intent to help everyone succeed. Second, integrity. We do this business with transparency. And last is respect. We want to treat everyone equally and with the highest form of respect. Respect what you do and your beliefs. So, in terms of legalities, we are duly registered to DTI, Department of Trade and Industry, and FDA, Food and Drug Administration. And we also have halal for our brothers and sister Muslims and mayor's permit. Okay now, Neo, ito yung tanong. Sino ang tao na nasa likod ng kumpanyang ito? Who is the person behind this company? Ipinapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating nag-iisang may-ari, the founder of Infinite Success Global, none other than Mr. Gerson Zavalya. Okay? Mr. Gerson Zavalya knows the ins and outs of multi-level marketing. He is a multi-awarded sa larangang ito and the best teaching partner in this industry. Dahil sa kanyang amazing calculation skills, napakabilis po niyang nakarating sa taas than anyone else. And imagine, in his 6 years of working in his previous company, nakakuha siya ng 4 na kotse at isa lang din siya sa top 3 car achievers na nakatanggap ng Ford Mustang for his excellence. Okay? Ito malapit, siya lang naman ang nag-iisang nakatanggap na taga Mindanao. Our founder of Infinite Success Global has a high level of expertise sa pagbuo ng isang compensation plan at pagpapalawak ng mga operations sa pamamagitan ng mga network na binuo niya over the years. Okay? Ito pa malupit. Meron po tayong mga free travels. Okay? Incentives. Okay? May mga free travels sa local like Palawan, Boracay, Siargao, at marami pa. At sa abroad naman gaya ng sa Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, Japan, and many. Okay? May mga mechanics lang po tayo na i-hit gaya ng income at monthly sales. Okay? Ito ang malupit. Dito, kumita ka na. May free travel ka pa. Ay, grabe, di ba? And this travel experience are all expense paid by the company. Plus may kasamang allowance pa. Ay, grabe. Okay? So, ito po yung mga members na nag-qualify at nakapag-travel to Singapore. Okay? Na namasyal at nag-stay ng 4 nights sa Marina Bay Hotel. At nag-swimming sa sikat na infinity pool sa buong mundo. Ay, grabe. Napakaganda po ng background ni Infinite Success Global. Di ba? Alright. So now, let's talk about naman our health. Do we believe that our health is our true wealth? Agree or disagree? Agree, right? Pero, ang tanong, bakit ba natin inaabuso ang ating katawan? Dahil ba masarap ang bawal? O sadyang matigas lang talaga ang ulo natin? Alam niyo ba, according to WHO, na ang global average life expectancy ngayon ay nasa 60 to 75 years old na lang. Maswerte o bibihira na lang yung lumampas ng 75 years old. Yung iba, hirap pa umabot ng 40 years old. Why? Here are some reasons. The top 3 killers diseases worldwide. The number 1 is the cardiovascular disease. Second is diabetes. Third is cancer. And these are the factors according to WHO, kaya tayo nagkakasakit ng ganito dahil dito. Number 1, more on tayo sa mga unhealthy foods. Mga free radicals at toxic chemicals na nakahalo sa ating mga pagkain na nakakasira sa ating mga cells. Second is ay ang sobra at maling paggamit ng gamot na synthetic drugs that will lead to damage your liver and kidney. Third is because of stress na nakakapagbigay sa atin ng depression and it lead to anxiety. At alam mo ba na kapag depressed tayo ay bagsak ang immune system natin at maaari o madali na lang tayong dapuan ng sakit. Fourth, our lifestyle, because today we live in a complicated world with so many complicated situations. That's why many of us die because of complication. Right? Dati, simple lang yung buhay. Dati, mahaba ang buhay ng tao. Halimbawa, did you know that according to the book of Genesis, the ages of people before, gaya nila ni Methuselah, ay nabuhay sa edad na hanggang 969 years old. At si Adam naman ay nabuhay hanggang sa edad na 930. At si Noah naman ay sa edad na 950. Gusto niyo bang malaman ano ang sikreto nila? Their secrets is their diet. Dahil ang kanilang kinakain ay prutas at gulay. Dahil ang prutas at gulay are food that our body needs for ourselves to be strong and durable against the free radicals, the toxic chemical that we eat and inhale every day. Now, these are the basic structures of our body. Ang ating katawan ay binubuo ng mga organ systems. At ang mga organ systems ay binubuo ng mga organ. At ang mga organs ay binubuo ng mga tissues. At ang mga tissues ay binubuo ng mga cells. Our cells is the small living unit of our body. Pag ang ating cells ay nasira, nasisira din yung ating tissue. Nasisira din yung ating organ. Nasisira din yung ating organ systems. So nasisira yung katawan natin. So kaya tayo nagkakasakit kasi may nasira na cells sa ating katawan. Are you getting the point? So, ang unang dapat natin gawin para tayo gumaling, unang-una ay kailangan nating tulungan ang ating cells na maayos. Paano? Dapat umiwas tayo sa mga bawal na nakakasira sa ating cells, gaya ng mga nabanggit ko kanina. At kumain tayo ng mga pagkain gaya ng mga prutas at gulay o food supplements na nakakatulong para lumakas ulit yung cells natin. Kasi pag na-repair si cell, marirepair din si tissue, marirepair din si organ, marirepair din si organ system. Okay? So marirepair yung katawan natin. So gagaling tayo. Nakuha? Pero hindi ito ganun kasimple ha. Meron tong 4 stages of healing. First, cleansing. Second, detoxification. Third, nutrient assimilation. And the fourth is cell regeneration. At kailangan dito is commitment, tiwala sa Diyos at disiplina. Okay? Alright. So, here are some foods or superfoods that we should eat for us to achieve a complete protection against the viruses, diseases, and the free radicals. The first is the superfood called Moringa oleifera na napakataas sa mga phytonutrients na nakakatulong sa pagpapanatili ng maayos na mga blood vessels at malusog na puso sa ating katawan. Ang Moringa oleifera ay mayroon itong 92 na nutrients, 46 na antioxidant, 36 na anti-inflammatory at 18 amino acids and 9 essential amino acids. Okay? So second ay ang barley, which is rich source of dietary fiber and minerals na manganese at selenium na nakakatulong ito sa pagkontrol ng diabetes. Okay? At saka pangatlo ay ang superfood na turmeric. Ito ay may malakas na anti-inflammatory effect. It treats arthritis and other rheumatic diseases and it relieves pain. Okay? Kumbaga natural painkiller siya. Pang-apat ay ang pagkain na mataas sa tinatawag na anthocyanin. Ang anthocyanin is anti-cancer. Dito sa Pilipinas, available sa ating market itong orange, mangosteen at talong na may ORAC value na 200, 220 at 750. Na kung i-compare mo siya sa purple corn na available na rin sa ating merkado, lalo na itong Peruvian purple corn na may bilang na 1,642 na ORAC value based in the milligram per 100 gram. So imagine, ang anthocyanin is food for the cell and it feeds the mitochondria inside each cell. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. It creates energy. The more energy the mitochondria produces, the stronger the cells are. Ibig sabihin, ang mitochondria natin na nasa ating cells, siya kumbaga yung battery of the cells natin. Na kung malakas yung mitochondria natin, so malakas din yung cells natin. Na siya yung nagre-repair sa mga damages sa ating katawan. Okay, that's why according to Hippocrates na kilala as the father of medicine, ang sabi niya, let food be the medicine and medicine be thy food. Okay? So again, for us to achieve a complete protection against viruses, diseases, and free radicals, we should need this kind of key ingredients like purple corn na mataas sa anthocyanin, turmeric na mataas sa anti-inflammatory properties, barley na rich in dietary fiber at minerals, at moringa na mayaman sa phytonutrients. So, ang ginawa ni Infinite ay nag-innovate para mabilis, madali na makonsume yung mga superfood na ito. So, ginawa niyang capsule. Ito ang anthocyanin complete protection capsule na may ingredients na purple corn, turmeric, barley, at moringa. Benefits: fight obesity, inflammation, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, arthritis, digestive disorders, respiratory infections, allergies, cyst, tumor, goiter, prostate disorder, myoma, hormonal imbalance, dengue, lupus, ulcer, depression, and many others. Di ba? Grabe. So, napakalupit po ng anthocyanin complete protection po natin. So, next, nag-innovate din si Infusers Global ng Berry Boost Juice na isang pang-cleansing at pan-detox sa ating digestive system. Mahalaga po talaga na meron tayong healthy na digestive system kasi ito yung dadala ng sustansya sa ating katawan. Kapag marumi ang digestive system natin, it lead us to experience like constipation, yung mahirapan kang magdumi, migraine, sinusitis, asthma, rheuma, arthritis, body odor, bad breath, yung tagyawat na di gumagaling, yung ibang uri ng sakit sa balat, kasama na diyang heart disease, TB, gallstone, kidney stone, diabetes, high blood pressure, tumor, cyst, cancer, at sari-saring infection. Kaya ho, ugaliing uminom ng Berry Boost araw-araw para sa pag-cleansing at pag-detox sa mga madumi o mga dumi sa ating gastrointestinal tract. Okay? Upang tayo ho'y makaiwas sa mga sakit na dulot ng maruming bituka. Okay? And then, next product is the Man-Up Extreme Coffee. So, this herbal coffee has its 3 active ingredients, which is the horny goatweed, black macaroot, at ginseng. Ang kanyang coffee ho is aroma lang, and then this Man-Up coffee is there's no sugar, pero matamis po siya because of the stevia leaf. plant-based natural sweetener. So, ang napakaganda po nitong Man Up Coffee natin, it helps improve physical stamina, concentration, and memory. Also helps improves libido. That help treat erectile dysfunction, and it can rev up the sex drive of men and women. Nakakapag-boost din siya ng sperm count, improves erection, and ease menopausal symptoms. So, napakaganda ho ng coffee natin. Okay? So, you need to try this coffee. Alright, sa mga coffee lover dyan. So, last, before I end this video presentation, I give you some health tips para po tayo mas maging healthy at gumaling. Follow this Dr. Shape C. Okay? And then, take note, may mga tao na di pwedeng sumobra ng 1 litro na tubig sa isang araw. Ito yung may sakit na rheumatic heart disease, chronic kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, ascites, and pleural infusion. Pero pag wala kang sakit gaya na nabanggit ko, you are required to take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So, thank you and see you in the next video.